was sent from the heavens above. Forget you thugs, this is for the people I love. No prequels or sequels could equal a hug. People ain't see-through, cause people on drugs.
I think it's important to garden because we promote eating healthy around here, and we want our youth to be healthy, as well as, you know, not only the kids at Gregory Lincoln, but the community as well. So it's a great way to get the community out here.
It involves the kids like with their food process and helps them understand like where food comes from, and like it gives them something to be proud of, and I think that's awesome.
Nowadays, so many children are just raised inside the house and they have no exposure to the earth or the outside elements. So I think it's very important to be in touch with the planet. We speak about saving the planet and going green, but if the children don't know what comes from the earth and how beautiful it is, how will they do that, you know? So with this project, I want them to like come out in the garden, touch the earth, feel the earth, see what comes out of the earth, so they'll be excited to protect it.
So you can be strong, you can grow, you can think, you'll be able to think smart. Like it helps you, it's for you to eat, like sometimes, like, and it's better food for the community.
And your kids, the community, the kids go here, so you want the school doing the best at repping it.
He's here because he's helping the planet with gardening, and he can get extra credit in class with this.
Extra credit for the class! It's good to be healthy because you be strong.
You know, beautifying the campus, doing work with the culinary arts program and the garden program. So, you know, I just wanted to lend a helping hand.
I'm here just to help out and do good for the earth.
Fresh fruit, fresh vegetables, make our school healthy. Some schools, they don't have the opportunities like they do over here.
When you live in a city, you don't really understand like where your food comes from or how it comes about and all that stuff like that. So just giving people like that mental connection to the process is pretty amazing.
So by getting them out here in the garden and promoting it and serving them healthy food as well, you know, it's a great way to get them to see, hey, eating healthy, you know, it's not inexpensive, it's not expensive, and it's not, you know, bad to eat healthy because we make it fun for them.
This school is perfect. It's the only school I want to come to because until I get to high school, because I came here since I was kindergarten, so I want to stay in this school forever because it's a good school, a great school, and a nice school, and a pretty school. Well, I like my new principal, and I thank her for doing this for the garden.